Warning, this is not good for headaches. Allow yourself, as you lay on your back, to bring your awareness to your feet. And as you do, allow your toes to relax, one toe at a time. Inhaling and exhaling, allowing your belly to expand and to come back. Fill it up with air, and when you exhale, allow the air to release, inflating your stomach. Now bring your awareness to your legs, relaxing each tendon, each muscle at a time, releasing anything, any stress, any emotion from the day, releasing it to whatever your favorite place is. And as you inhale, exhale, allow to let it go. And now the front and back of your thighs, all the way up to your glutes and hips. Releasing any stress or emotions there. Feel yourself merge into your bed. Remembering to inhale and exhale with the stomach expanding and deflating. Allow the sounds to support you if you feel so called to tune into them. And now bringing your awareness just to the stomach. Feel free to put your hands on the stomach, left hand first, and then the right hand, feeling your stomach go up and down, releasing any tension in the stomach and the organs, and releasing any tension you're feeling in your back. Allow yourself to just let it all go, wherever your favorite place may be. You may release your stress and emotions there. Know that you have nowhere else to be but here, nowhere else to be but present. If you tend to breathe rapidly, I invite you to slow down your breathing, trying to breathe in for 4 and exhaling out for 8 to go deeper and deeper into yourself, into slumber. Now bringing your awareness to your shoulders and chest, releasing any stress and emotions there. Feel free to invite the sounds to support you in releasing what needs to be released. Allowing your jaw to relax and your shoulders to go back as you inhale. Exhale down both arms, allowing all fingers to relax, one finger at a time, starting with the thumb. And ending at the pinky. drop. Your tongue to drop and sink right into the bottom of your jaw. Your eyebrows to relax. Your eyelids to sink in. Your neck and throat to relax as well as you sink deeper and deeper into the mattress, deeper and deeper into sleep.